Now let's look at this limit right here. We're trying to find the limit as x approaches 0, right? So if we substitute 0 for x, both the numerator and denominator will be equal to 0, right? So we have to transform this expression right here. And we can do that by multiplying 1 plus cosine for both numerator and denominator, right? So this is equal to limit as x approaches 0. Numerator is 1 minus cosine square x. Denominator is x squared times 1 plus cosine x, right? From trigonometry, we know that sine square plus cosine square is equal to 1, right? So 1 minus cosine square is equal to sine square, right? So this limit is equal to limit as x approaches 0. Numerator is sine square x over x squared times 1 plus cosine x. And if we separate this expression right here, it can be written as sine squared over x, that's sine x over x squared times 1 over 1 plus cosine x, right? From this formula right here, as x approaches 0, sine x over x approaches 1, right? So this expression approaches 1. So equal to 1 squared times, if we substitute 0 for x, that's going to be 1 over 1 plus cosine 0. And cosine 0 is equal to 1, right? So that's 1 times 1 over 1 plus 1. So that is equal to 1/2, right?